raindrop. This one. Okay, well, you kind of have to know what you're doing. All right, you're the science geek.
That's good because I don't.
You're a science geek. You are end of the world. You are.
I'm end of the world. What does it say about me?
LARPer. You are. And you're a foreigner. You're Spanish. And I am
You are.
excitable. Okay.
I'm a LARPer.
Alright, so we gotta be raindrops. We're all gonna be raindrops, and we sit like this. And we usually have like stumps or chairs you sit on. Okay? And we're falling rain. And basically, the skit goes, you kind of know you're doing it, and I'm giving it away, but it's fun to do it by yourself with people who don't know. And so you sit here, and you're like, and you go, and you say, okay, we're falling raindrops right now, so we just fell from the clouds. And so, like, we all talk at once. Clouds. So you start doing your mathematical, like, oh, we're gonna hit the Earth in like 5.2 seconds. You know, do Freiheit stuff like that, right? You in the world. Oh my God, the world's gonna end! Ah, you scream shit like that. You just be like, whatever, just say that. And then you will be like, I'm attacking the darkness with Mel's magic missile. Yeah, roll the dice, whatever, right? And then I'll be like, I don't know what's happening.
You're excitable.
Or I'm excitable. Whatever. I can do whatever I want, damn it. So and then what happen? And then I'll be like 3, 2, 1, and then we'll hit the ground like raindrops to the ground, and we all die. So we just go like, whatever you can do, just jump off your log. We don't have logs or trees or chairs. We don't have chairs, and we jump off and we just all like die, right? However you want to pose, do whatever.
But you don't.
You just die. Everybody, so all of us die. We have to die at the same time, okay?
But you
and
don't
that's
say,
our stupid human.
When you die,
basically we just go plop, and we're just like,
oh, you don't say
whatever.
anything.
You can be like, "Ay!" or whatever. You can be like, I don't know.
Wait, what do I say again?
Yours is the best
What do
one.
I say again?
Whatever you want to say. You're
What
Spanish. You just all foreign language. All foreign
Give
language.
me an example so I know what I'm saying.
I already gave you one. I'm not good at it. I don't
Spanish.
speak of the Spanish like you do.
Spanish.
Just make it sound absurd. You can be like, arriba, arriba, I'm there, like, yeah.
Why would
Whatever,
Why would you say
fine. Whatever you want. Why do you get all the
ambassador?
No, because he brings diversity to our group. So, this is why we do this.
Oh, he's white.
That's a Mexican. This is how we do that. It might not make sense. I know I'm drunk.
I know he's Puerto Rican, but for the sake of the stupid human drink, he's Mexican.
Why not he's Puerto Rican, damn it? But he's Spanish.
When did you come from Texas?
Did you become retarded? Oh wait, I witnessed it on YouTube.
Alright, so you ready? You guys we have to do this all at once though. So it's gonna be total jibber jabber. Everybody's talking at once.
Are you coordinating this?
Yes. I have to. I'm the only one who really knows what's going on.
Clearly. Until he says 1, 2, 3, and do we die on 3 or do we die on?
Well, we'll all die
Everybody
on 3.
after 3.
Well, no, we'll do 3,
Okay,
2,
so
1.
do we die on 1? Are we doing 1, 2, and then jump 3, or do we do 1, 2, 3,
or 3,
then
2,
jump?
1?
We'll do.
Do we do 5, 2, 7?
1, plop.
Do we do 10, 9, 8, 7?
3, 2, 1, flop, not 3, 2, 1, flop.
While you're saying 3, 2,
3, 2, 1. Because you're gonna pop on 0. You pop on what?
We don't talk then, right?
No, you can do your last dying throes of agony. Whatever you want it to be, whether it's in Spanish and gibberish shit,
Where did you
end of the world, or like, I don't even know what
Oh,
you're
I already got one plan.
Good, okay. Alright, so this is how we do it. You guys ready? You guys ready? So can you even do nerd? Like, you're not all that nerdy.
He's doing a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle.
He's a diver. I'm
I
giving
can't
him the
believe
benefit of
I'm
the
a
doubt.
part of this. I just want to.
This shirt is kick ass.
You're in the.
I am
you can do it.
I can do it.
Okay, this is
You
this is improv. We're all.
No, I perfectly happy in my room.
We're all.
Derek looks at me and he goes, "You can do. You can do it in the world."
Okay, so we're all acting.
I want my.
We're all improving here. Okay, this is your time to be great. To do it right.
All right, you guys ready?
I don't know what I'm gonna do. Honestly, I'm probably just gonna sit here. Okay, you ready? Because
How long is the falling thing gonna last?
as long as I want it to. So just you gotta keep going. Just this is why it makes it fun.
Alright,
Especially the more drunk you are, because you're just like.
I don't.
Yeah, but you're the only one extra large.
Am I the only one who's drunk here?
Yes, you're
Yeah,
the
you're
problem.
the one.
Well, shit.
I'm running the whole.
Okay. Alright, you ready? Here we go. Stupid human trick. Raindrop.
Now you make it sound so cool.
Derek Hazelwood.
know what's coming.
No, not by Derek Hazel, by the gang.
The game.
Okay, you ready?
Oh,
Hey, go! Okay, start following.
Just like